Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham here, and today I'm showing you around this brilliant 2012 Ford Transit Connect. It's a 1.8 TDCi T200 panel van, finished in silver, lovely alloy wheels. Just demonstrate that it has both side sliding doors. People's just going by there. Also got two of the rear doors, both open, and then you've also got the push button on both of them to release that catch. They can slide all the way around with buttons to protect them. As you can see there, stretch right over, simply just click back on. See, it's got the steel guard as well. Now, the one behind the passenger seat can actually pivot. The seat rolls flat, so you can extend the length if you're carrying something a bit longer inside the van. All the seats really clean. This one's done just over 89,000. Well, it's just about to hit 90,000, 89,800. There's your screen. We've also SAT-NAV map on there. It's got great service history as well. Importantly as well, there's no VAT on this van. So if you'd like to see it and take it for a drive yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.